Hi guys! Today we're going to be unveiling the March 2018 subscription box for Sephora. It's called Sephora Play. I didn't do it last month, but we're gonna go ahead and do it this month. Now, it usually comes in a black and white striped box. I happen to throw the box away, but every month there's a cute little pouch like this one. And it says something different. Now, I have the one for last month, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's like this, and it says feel the love. So I guess it was for the month of February, Valentine's Day. This month, it says beauty is my spirit animal, which happens to be very, very true. Now, it usually comes with about 5 to 6 products, sometimes even a bonus product. So it really just depends on what the month is or how generous they're feeling at Sephora. None of these products, I want to clarify, are full-size products. These are all sample products, but so far I have not gotten any repeats. The box also comes with a little booklet of all of the products and a description of every single product that's in here. The first product is a lipstick from Sephora. It's from the Sephora collection. It's the one I am wearing right now. It is called Bohemian Purple. It is a matte drying lipstick. It's really smooth to apply and it dries down pretty quick. And so far, it's still not dry enough, so there is some residue, but it's really, really pretty. The only thing is that this is not a shade I would normally wear, therefore I feel like my teeth look really, really yellow in it. But I would go back to Sephora and try out some of their other colors just because this one seems really, really pretty. The second product that comes in this little pouch is the IT Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. It comes in this cute little package here, and the trial size is like this. The shade they gave me is shade medium, and it's a little too pale for me. It's a little too thick for me, but it must be because it's supposed to be full coverage and waterproof. I dampened up my beauty sponge and I really had to blend it out. I usually like to put my concealer on my under eyes, a little bit to cut my contour, on my nose, but with this type of concealer, you will definitely need to apply and then blend, apply and then blend, because it is thick, but it is also hard to blend. The one good thing though is that it did not move around my foundation, and you know sometimes products that are thick or very full coverage will tend to do that, but this one didn't do that. So I would go back and see what other shades they have, or look online, but I usually like to go to the actual store and test it out on my skin. It seems to be creasing a bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's creasing a little bit, not too much, but still not something I will necessarily go buy. I might just keep testing it out to see how it works with my other foundations like NARS or the Fit Me from Maybelline, which is one of my favorites, even the Tarte foundation. Today I used BECCA. The next product is a premium beauty balm with SPF 45 from Dr. Jart, right here. It is a concealing, beautifying, and sun protecting beauty balm. It does come in a shade light to medium. I will link it in the description below where you can find this. This is actually what it looks like, and as you can see, it does blend pretty well into my skin. It seems to be a little bit pale for me, a little bit too pale, but that could also be, you know, because my hand is just too tanned. Now, I was really excited to find out that this was going to be in the subscription box for this month because I've never tried the primer for BECCA, for the BECCA foundation, but obviously I have the foundation, I have their powders, I have their highlights, which is actually the one I'm wearing right now. It is called Champagne Pop, and it is not the it's not the powder one, but it's the cream one, and it comes in a little thing like this. If you guys, I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's just, look at how pretty that is. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, it's gorgeous. As you can see, it's really making every part of my cheeks, my nose, everything just stand out. It's the only highlight I'm wearing, and it's beautiful. I really like this primer. It didn't really fill my pores, and I happen to have a huge pore on my nose, which is usually what I look for in a primer, that it will fill my pores. But it did have a blurring effect, which I really liked. The next item that we got this month is a Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm from IGK. It is a nourishing leave-in conditioner that boosts your hair's hydration for shiny frizz-free style. It smells, oh my god, it smells like coconut. It smells really good. So it says that it's supposed to detangle, repair, and smooth your strands. It's perfect for keeping your dew-freeze all festival long. Then it does say that what you're supposed to do is distribute a dime-sized amount through clean, damp hair before styling for heat protection. Or you can add shine to over-the-top crimps and curls by smoothing a pea-sized amount through styled mid-length ends. I don't usually curl my hair. I like to have my hair straight, but definitely I will test this out with another product that came in this month and leave it in, and then I will inform you guys in the next video if I liked it or not. The next item I got was a shampoo and a conditioner sample from bumble&bumble, and it's a hairdresser's invisible oil shampoo and conditioner. A hydrating shampoo and conditioner dual packed with 6 nourishing oils to soften strands, fight frizz, and add major shine. The benefits of this is it detangles, protects, and tames frizz. So definitely this would be something that next time I wash my hair I will try out, and then I will try this out because it is a leave-in conditioner. Maybe, you know what? Let's test this out right now. It says a pea-sized. Oh, okay, that was more than a pea-sized. Oh, it smells so good. It smells coconuts. Okay, I mean, I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be seeing. Like, I guess it feels softer, oilier. I'm not even sure. Just add some more. I don't usually like to put anything on the root of my hair just because I do have oily hair. I tend to get very oily very quickly, and so adding any extra oils to the root of my hair will just cause my hair to become oily instantly, like overnight. It does smell really good, but I think this is something that you should keep trying, and it will definitely show you the benefits of it, or like you'll see the benefits of it, but it's not something that right away you can tell the major change that is done to your hair. I do say it smells fantastic. It smells like the beach, like I need to be at the beach putting on some sunscreen and just tanning or something. Oh, it's amazing. Now for this look, I did use my BoxyCharm subscription palette. Like I said in my last video, I want to test it out a little bit more and play around with some of the colors. I also used for the corner of my eye as a shadow one of my favorite shadows, which is my ColourPop single shadows, and it is the Super Shock shadow in the shade Envy. You can see, I'm actually gonna swatch it for you guys a little bit so you can see what the color looks like. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. I wonder how it would look a little. Interesting. Ooh, that actually looks really pretty. Oh, wow. Good job, Prismeth. Good thinking. Now I'm also using for the center of my eye a little halo eye situation. I'm using the Stila Cosmetics, the liquid eyeshadow glitter and glow in the shade Diamond Dust. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys a little bit. Can you see that? It's beautiful. I do find this one to be a little bit chunky just in the glitter aspect of it, but nothing major. It is really pretty though. And for my under eye, on top of my, oh, and I also use that for the corner of my, the inner corner of my eye. And for the under eye situation, for my lower lash line, for the waterline, I use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in the shade Pyro. This happens to be just one of my favorite ones because it adds that little extra glitter to anything that you do. I don't think I swatched it last time, so I'm gonna swatch it this time so you guys can see. The glitter is just, it's rainbow glitter, so it matches beautifully with anything that you add on. If you can see, it's very rainbowy. It's just perfect. Now I am wearing my Sephora Collection Velour lashes, which happen to be beautiful and just full. And I put this whole little look together for this video. I'm gonna leave in the description box below the link to Sephora Play. It is $10 a month. I really suggest it. I've gotten some amazing products, not just makeup, but skincare, and it really gives me a chance to try things out. This is just wonderful because you can get to try out little things here and there, and then if you really do like it, then you'll commit to the full-size product, which is just wonderful for me. I'm gonna leave in the description below every product I use to create this look. And thank you guys for watching, and tune in for the next video, which I'll be unveiling my Allure Beauty Box subscription for the month of March. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. It's much appreciated. Thank you.